Hi, thank you so much for joining me today doing this testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions. Why did you go solar?
We went solar because we actually bought this house with solar energy in mind. We are a corner lot and we have basically a perfectly continuous slope roof facing south with the street next to us. So there's no shade and there's no other buildings in the way. So we were looking for a house that would feature good solar exposure for a solar system. Both my wife and I work from home and we use a lot of energy. I'm a film editor, so I have a lot of equipment on all day and night. And my wife is a ceramicist, so she makes ceramics in her garage with a very large electric kiln. So between hard drives and the kiln, we generate more electricity draw than probably your average, little Pasadena bungalow. So we wanted to go solar for that reason and for environmental reasons, obviously. So that's why we went solar, and we're so happy we did. And eventually we'll get an electric car and have even fewer expenses. So
Exactly. That's the future.
yeah.
So how
And
many-
one of the other things to mention is, we're both like work kind of on contracts or freelance a lot of the time. And so just eliminating one of those monthly or bi-monthly expenses in terms of an electricity bill is great. I just paid our other utility bills and it was basically $75 a month. Whereas at this time of year, previous years, it would have been like, $700 or $800 for the 2-month billing cycle. So it's just great not having to like factor that in to our budget. So
Right. That's really great. So you
yeah.
would say you're having a great experience.
Mhm. Yeah.
Awesome. So would you recommend anyone to go with Green Home Systems?
We really enjoyed working with Green Home Systems. We had a great team from, the kind of staff who helped us design the system to the installers who were out here on site, and they were very helpful and instructive. We opted to replace our roof concurrent to the solar system, and they got us a roofing contractor and got us a great deal on a roof, and were very accommodating in terms of like the city of Pasadena and the rules and regulations that we had to work around with them, and delays with the roofer, and just all the various things that go into kind of a major construction project. And they followed up a lot after we were done. We had a little bit of an electrical glitch in terms of some of our circuits were being thrown after the solar system was installed, and the installers came back out, basically the next day and had it up and running. We never had any, effect in terms of our ability to use our electricity, but it just wasn't necessarily connected all of the
Right.
time correctly. So,
Right.
but it got resolved very quickly, and that was 9 months ago, and we have literally had no issue since then.
That's
So,
amazing.
yeah,
Sounds like
yeah,
great teamwork to me.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a nice scale in that you deal with the same person, but you also have a lot of resources to draw on if you need something. So
That's
um,
awesome.
yeah, yeah.
I love that. Well, I really appreciate your time today, and I think you did an amazing job. And this is a great testimonial, and will definitely inspire other individuals as yourself to go solar.